This 2022 Newmar New Aire 3543 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Remmy Decor, Tuscan maple high-gloss cabinetry interior, sleeps 2, awning, stove top burner, air conditioning, self-contained, TV antenna, smoke detector, external shower, slide-out, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, front dinette, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar New Aire 3543 is built on a Spartan K2 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.